My firstborn. You were the firstborn.
Oh, yeah.
All right, our Torahs. We have 7 Torahs. The oldest being from, I want to give you the exact year, it's almost 200 years old. 7 Torahs. Dates back to 1780. We take that Torah out, but rarely, special occasions. But the Torahs, of course, are very different from Ashkenazi Torahs, because all of the Torahs, the scrolls, are encased in a wooden box. Yes, it's a wooden box covered in some sort of a fabric. And the others, of course, are wooden boxes. The Torah never comes out of the box. The box hinges open, and you're able to turn the scroll so you can see the changes. Never, that's a Sephardic Torah. In a box, tik, T-I-K. Same as Yiddish, we use a pencil finger, a yad. Same rules, same requirements to create the Torah, but it's encased in a box. Yes, we worship the Torah as all Jews do. We walk around, everyone kisses the Torah. When we put the Torah on and read the Torah, we always keep it at a slight tilt. Yes, subtle little differences. If you look, it's at a slight tilt rather than flat. We have the same aliyahs, the same bidding from Orthodox Jews do. We only have Orthodox in the Sephardic tradition. We did not develop Reform. The Sephardics never developed the concept of a Reformation, Reform, conservative. What do you think? The Ashkenazi, the Jews in Europe certainly did, because they were far more influenced by the church. Remember the Reformation developed Protestantism, so kind of similar, not happened in the Middle East. There are no Reform or conservative Sephardic synagogues. The women are always separated from the men, and indeed that's where the women are, the women's gallery upstairs.